Hello folks, good morning from Bengaluru, Kudlu Gate. We are on the road again after a long break actually. Today Combs is here with me as well.
Hello. I'm back after a year on the road.
Exactly.
Long time.
It's been a year for her since we did a ride together, and for me over 6 months. So yeah, back on the road after a long time, after a long gap. We started off late because we are not going too far today. It's just 110 kilometers from my home. This place called Buligundulu Forest, which is on the way to Hogenakal. There is a riverside picnic spot there. So yeah, right now the time is almost 7:30. So we'll just stop.
We are headed straight for breakfast.
Yeah, we are headed straight to breakfast, and then we will proceed towards Buligundulu, and there we will have a dry picnic.
Yes.
We have made sandwiches and rolls and stuff, so we are hoping that we'll be able to have a dry picnic there. Let's see. Big bus, Andhra Pradesh, AP. तिम्रो सेम ज्याकेट रहेछ नि त्यो हेर न स्कालाको
के हो त
यिनीहरूको ब्रेक कस्तो लाग्छ हौ त्यति छेउमा गएर लगाउँछ नि म त सक्दिनँ त्यति छेउमा गएर लगाउनु भन्दा डिसब्यालेन्स भइदिएको क्या ब्रेक कति लाग्छ यिनीहरूको भन्दा ए भइदिएको लट अफ ट्राफिक माई गड and we are going very slowly. Now we are approaching our breakfast point. Done 20 kilometers no maybe so far, and now we have come to this A to B. Where is bike parking? Here we are at the A to B.
यहाँ बोलाउँदैछ यहाँ अगाडि.
Where does he want me to put? यहाँ छ त जग्गा यहाँ हालिदिन्छु याच
हाल्देऊ.
Yes, at the breakfast point. See you in some time. Hey guys, at the A to B restaurant, and here is our breakfast. Pepper plain dosa. This is vada dip, and this is her pepper plain dosa. Combs' tea, chai, and let's enjoy. It's good guys, very tasty. Pepper plain dosa. There is this white coconut chutney, then red chutney, and then mint chutney. 3 types of chutneys. And the sambar. Just had a hearty meal. So I've been around this place so many times. When I went to Kodakarai with Ricardo, basically when Ricardo and me went to Kodakarai, we had come from here. Then second time I came with Sujit bro for ride to Panjapalli water reservoir, Panjapalli dam, and we have come here. Now this is the third time I am coming through this route. This is the Attibele town.
I'll give you honest review of A to B restaurant at Attibele, specifically Attibele A to B.
Okay, go ahead.
The one which we went is a very nice, clean, hygienic restaurant. The dosa options there are really good. A lot of options available if you're a dosa lover like us. The food I think is very good, but being a woman, we care also about the washrooms. I know my girlfriends will understand. The pot level is very high. So for an average height like mine, 5'5", it was so difficult for me to climb up there.
What do you mean pot was high?
It was literally like climbing up.
A hill.
Okay. Yeah. So that was very, very uncomfortable. Food was great, but if you want to use the washroom, then that is not the best
So
option.
washroom is designed for tall people.
Yes.
So there you go, guys. Feedback on Attibele A to B eatery.
Or maybe you can have food there and do your business somewhere else.
So now we are at the border of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Guys, this is the, I think this is, now we are entering Tamil Nadu limit. From here, this is the border crossing between the two states. See, Tamil Nadu limit starts. And here,
Tamil Nadu limit starts.
and here there is a big TVS factory which I've showed in my previous vlog as well. This is like a big TVS factory along with the township people are crossing.
TVS two-wheeler manufacturing plant.
कत्रो है
TVS त कुन चाहिँ हो कसले चलाउँछ हो TVS त
TVS को पुरा छ नि ज्याप्लिन त्यहाँदेखिको अपाची भयङ्कर बिक्री हुन्छ नि बाइक लट अफ पिपल बाई अपाची BMW इन्डियामा बनिन्छ नि BMW त्यो पनि त TVS सँगै मिलेर त बनेको
Very nice wide roads with trees on both sides.
Look at this, guys. Now vegetation has thickened and so much greenery everywhere. This is the joy of riding during the monsoons. Everything is green. Wow, beautiful, so nice. Not very far, Puligundulu, you guys. This is less explored places from Bangalore. North Kaveri North Wildlife Sanctuary. Now we've entered the wildlife sanctuary.
Wow! Hey, I can see something.
खै
हिँड्दैछ बेबी
कहाँ के
चार खुट्टे कुनै के थियो
बाँदर हो
बाँदरै बाँदर रहेछ monkeys. Wow, they are universal everywhere. Wow, this guy is running.
My God, nice. अब वाइल्ड लाइफ सेन्चुरी हो भन्न नबजाउँ होला है
बिस्तारै कुदाउने फेरि यहाँ चाहिँ पानी खाएको हेर न बिचाराले
के बेसी है बाँदर
filled with monkeys, bro.
आम्मामा हेर न थिक फरेस्ट
यहाँ त टुरैया आमाछी बाबा हैया
मजाको फरेस्ट रहेछ नि यहाँ त नाइस अरे यसको लागि रहेछ यसको लागि रहेछ त्यो हेर न
त्यही त
आम्म डबल एस पो रहेछ त नाइस देयर इज अ डबल एस टर्न हियर दामी मजा आयो कति दिन बाद
कितनी हसी जिंदगी यहाँ जाने किसको ठिकाना है
उल्टा उल्टा लिरिक्स का मर्डर
जाने क्या ढूंढता है ये मेरा दिल
रास्ते ढूंढती है किसको नजर जाने वो जाने क्या ढूंढता है ये मेरा दिल हेयरपिन बैंड स्टार्टेड कमिंग हेयरपिनहरु पनि भेट्नु थाले अब चाहिँ दामी आमामामामामामा यस्तो दामी रहेछ योपट्टि वाउ नाइस यहाँ फोटो खिचेको हुन्थ्यो नि रोकेर
अभी तो उतरने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है क्या करें
वाउ नाइस ब्यूटीफुल So we came at the checkpost. Apparently it's not allowed right now, it's closed. Huh?
पुलिस आ गया
हाँ
पुलिस फाइन
Not allowed. I don't know where to go now. Okay. So
कहाँ जानु अरे त्यहाँ चाहिँ?
we were 6 kilometers from our destination, and they are saying the forest is closed. They are not allowing apparently. They should have allowed for at least for Bilugundala, no? Because we are not even going to Hogenakal. People are going to Hogenakal because of the falls, but we are not even going there, no? We are going to Bilugundala, and they are saying that is also not allowed. They are not allowing.
They should update it in that.
Yeah, we came all the way, and what to do now? Where do we go? We are at a fix now. Everybody is returning back. No, I don't know. We don't know what to do. So there's no point wasting time here. We should go somewhere else now. So sad. Sir, any इधर कुछ अदर प्लेसेस है जाने के लिए?
मंची हिल्स मंचमलाई
बंचीमलाई
அங்க 12 கிலோமீட்டர் 12 கிலோமீட்டர்
Ah,
அங்க போனா நீங்க வியூ பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோல இருக்காது ஒரு ஹில் செக்ஷன் வியூ பாயிண்ட் இருக்கும்
let's go, baby. It's okay. So we were not
So
supposed.
sad.
It's okay. We came all the way 100 kilometers. We've done more than 100 kilometers from our home, but we had a good ride. Apart from good ride, nothing else. एकछिन अहिले नेटवर्क आउने जग्गामा हेर्छु नि. Anywhere there is network, we'll see if there is any other place to go. What luck. My God, look at this guy. He couldn't control his speed and he just came wrong side, and he's looking at his bike as though something went wrong with the bike.
He was feeling shy. So sad.
What luck, hard luck. के भएको है मैले बिचमा मुख खोलेको जस्तो लाग्छ नि कोही बेला. के भएको यस्तो? बट इट्स नट माई फल्ट. म त दिललाई गरेर भनेको थिएँ.
दिलले के गरेर पनि नभन्नु पर्ने रहेछ तिमीले चाहिँ.
I was just kidding, I was just fooling around. Basically, I told her yesterday, just imagine that we take all of this food and make lunch and get excited for picnic, and we reach the spot but we don't reach our destination, and we have to return back without reaching our destination because something it's closed or something. Or there are monkeys and we couldn't go. Just imagine if something like that happens, is what I had told her.
आयो नेटवर्क
आएछ.
हेर न कहीँ अलिक ठुलो जग्गामा रोकेर शीतलमा
ठुलो जग्गामा रोकेर हेर्छु.
हेर मान्छेहरू यहाँ
त्यही नेटवर्क आएर
भइरहेको रहेछ.
म्याप हेर्दैछ नेटवर्क आएर सबैजना नेटवर्क आउने जग्गामा.
Something else today. The different kind of fun.
Let's see how far is Arkavati dam from here. So guys, we have
Change of plans.
change of plans. We have decided to change our destination to another water destination again, river destination, Arkavati backwaters picnic spot. Let's see if that is open or not. Another 2 hours from here. So guys, we are still on our way towards Arkavati reservoir, and look at this now. The monsoons are welcoming us. The rain has come.
Rain has come.
The rain has come now. It's started to rain now. If it rains slightly more heavier than this, then we better put on our rain gear.
Even I can feel it.
Now, if anything at all, it is actually increasing. We should stop now, baby, to put on our rain gears. Guys, we've reached somewhere today. Today we are not reaching our destination. Map is showing us wrong routes. We are backtracking at times. Just now we had to backtrack and come back this way. I don't know whether this is the right route or not. Today has been like a good ride, but just ride, no destination yet. Now miles will be dirty. My God, there's literally steps here. It scraped my bottom. Not my bottom, Miles' bottom. Guys, finally water. My phone is also off. It's gone. The connection. Look at this. Finally, the reward.
Wow.
Reward चाहिए वही reward चाहिए हो. Wow. Nice.
फोटो ही डाल रही.
Maybe, right?
ले छारे मेरा बड़ा ले.
Nice, beautiful. Guys, see this. Look at the cranes here. See this, guys. See this. Look at this beautiful place. Peaceful. Such a peaceful.
क्रेन एक क्रेन रहेछ पानी मेरा.
Such a peaceful place. So from here, the off-roading starts. Off-roading with hard luggage.
This on the right is the pump house, Arkavati pump house.
Pump house. Thank God the thing is not wet. I don't want to jinx it. So off-roading with, I need to pick my track. This looks okay. Off-roading with the pillion, not recommended. On a road tire. Abo baby. Koi time?
2 minutes. I think this everything I'm with jam for someone. End में जाने.
Nice guys, we are here now. This is our destination. We'll now finally Combs will get to do her picnic. At last. At last, मेरो बुढीले पिकनिक मनाउन पाउँछ. Yes baby. Beautiful. Hey guys, picnic mode on. Look at this. Combs has set up our picnic spot here because there's kind of little bit of shade here in this area. Let me show you the view from here. Look at this guys. This is Arkavati backwater picnic spot. So if you want to come here, just type Arkavati backwater picnic spot, not Arkavati dam, okay, somewhere else. This is the picnic spot. So it's beautiful, very peaceful, serene. It's our setup. There are people who are picnicking there as well. This is it. We will start our picnic as well. Look at her. What are you doing?
I'm resting.
She's opened her boots and everything and gone off to sleep.
Guys, this is a lunch box. We just finished one kathi roll. Homemade kathi roll made by Krishna.
Homemade Kolkata style kati roll.
Have a bite. Let's see. How much would you rate yourself?
10 on
Good.
10.
Okay. Yummy.
After a very long time, we are doing this ride, but the ride itself has been awesome.
Such a lovely view. There are so many birds,
Lots of cranes.
cranes, birds.
You know, it was better no that we didn't go to Billy Gunduluk. Why? You know, because if we had gone there, from the parking point you had to carry all your stuff, go to the river, take a coracle and go somewhere.
So, and even the coracle ride will cost you around 2.5.
That's what we saw online. So they will take you there and they will wait for you for some time, and within that time you have to do your picnic and come back. So it's better we have our own time here. We can spend as much time as we want to leisurely and then go. Weather is also nice. Food is good. I made this, but Combs
Made by
helped.
my chef.
But she helped a lot. So guys, it's time to sign off. I hope you enjoyed our ride, our vlog
As much as we did.
as much as we did. We were riding after a year. We were riding together after a year. We took a break in between. Hopefully we'll come up with more videos. If you guys haven't seen this place, Arkavati picnic spot, do come here. Do come here.
It's worthwhile.
Yeah, it's worth a visit. Even though we were not able to reach our actual intended destination, I think this was the better option. Duo Traveler signing off. See you next time, hopefully very soon. Bye guys.